433 on 95. 360. 360's knocking. 433. 360. Break, break, break. How about at 163? 163, 360, Cedarville, New Jersey, break. 360, 360, Cedarville, New Jersey, copy. What's your 20, sir? What's your location? Tell 4 on you being over in Delaware, where you're making a good trip over here to Cedarville, New Jersey, 10 miles west of Millville. How about it, Joe? You got a copy on 360? How about it, 433? You got a copy? Four, 360's trying break, break. I hear you, Joe. I hear you, Joe, on that 95, man. I hear you coming through the noise level. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Put some fire in that wire.
Bump it up.
Bump it up. We're at 2 minutes and 28 seconds on the video gate. Come on, Joe. You got to put the pedal to the metal. Go eastbound and down.
You ain't got shit. Who we got out there?
You got a worldwide 360. Sometimes they call me Boss Hog.
As in 1, 2, 3, 4, do they really want some more?
Tell it like it is. Man, I don't know who you are, man. But there's a little thing on my radio that says plus next to the 30. That's where you're at.
Well, that radio is extra giving, man, because I'm out here mud ducking at its fullest there, righty?
Man, I don't know about mud ducking, man. I don't know about mud ducking, man, because you up there at the plus of 30, man.
Okay on that. What's your 20 out there?
I'm in Cedarville, down the street from the Sunoco, about 3 miles.
Okay. Hey, righty. Yeah, I'm down here in the lake there, right?
Okay, copy. Who we got there?
Yeah, you call me 609 there, righty?
609 reasons why I should shut my radio off.
Yeah, I ain't been out here a handful of many years, man. Come out here and mess around on Friday nights many moons ago, and I've come to see what's going on. Ain't none of them boys out there really doing nothing there, right?
All the big boys are getting back in there. We got the Greyhound in there, 433, me. Everybody's coming back. Come out. Hold on, 609. Stand by. How about it, 433? You got a copy on 360? Let's go. Hey, I got you, Big Joe. I got you on top of the Commodore Barry Bridge. Let's get it on. You give me 7 pounds, man, on the preamp side. You giving 7 units, man. Come on, 433, let's go. Greyhound's playing with his antenna. He thinks it's a Tinker toy.
How about it, Greyhound? 433 in the Gangster Mobile. Hey, Jojo, I hear you. You're blowing the smoke over here. You're the loudest guy here, man. I'm doing a record thing. I'm going to put this up on my Facebook page, Roger. I heard you off the bridge. I heard you on the bridge. You're all around the bridge. Come on.
Next week, he's going to be under the bridge. He's going to be under the bridge, James.
Right now, smacking everybody, Roger.
Hey, can you hear 360?
Having fun. How about it, 360?
Yeah, come on.
Yeah, I got a copy of you. I'm going down the other side of the bridge, Roger.
Yeah, man, you give me 7, 8 pounds, man, with the preamp, come on.
So Roger, on that, I'm going to put this water gate up over there. When I get over to Glassboro there, I'll put it up on YouTube and the Facebook page, Roger.
Okay, man, you sounding good, man. Sounding good, big brother.
Hey, Roger, on that. Sounded good, man. 433 in the Gangster Mobile with the Tommy guns pointing your way.
All right, I'm going to put stop on the record. Take care, 360, and I'm back quiet.